Lake Matka is the oldest artificial lake in Macedonia, the dam for the accumulation which was built in 1938 and is located on the river Treska, 7 kilometers downstream of the lake. This tourist attraction is located just 20 kilometers from Skopje. When you find yourself in this beautiful attraction of northern Macedonia, the metallic gray-green color of the river will leave a special impression on you. Also, the steep mountains of gray sedimentary rocks up to 1,000 meters high that cut into the river cannot fail to impress. This beautiful location is home to rare plants and animals, among which are the beautiful pink flowers of the Natalis ramonda, decorating the landscape. A boat ride will take you to 10 caves in the speleological park, including the tourist attraction of Vrelo cave. In the cave itself, there are many cave decorations, among which a huge stalagmite in the form of a cone dominates, which has accumulated over a period of at least 2,700 years. The sounds that are constantly heard inside the cave come from its inhabitants, the bats. Besides being protected as a monument of nature, Matka also boasts several cultural and historical monuments. In addition, there are a dozen beautiful monasteries of which you will also have a beautiful view. If you love adventure and extreme sports, Matka, which can lay claim to being at the forefront of the beginnings of alpinism in northern Macedonia, offers visitors the opportunity to indulge in sport climbing and mountaineering.